Yeah, what's good, bro? This is the weird strategy that I use to actually get myself to do stuff. So I'll just very quickly show you my screen time. So I went from being extremely addicted. I would spend 6, 7, 8 hours every single day just scrolling, watching movies, TV shows, short form content, YouTube videos, etc. I don't watch that anymore. Also, the reason why my screen time is so high on Discord is because we're developing an affiliate program right now. But that's besides the point. So the weird strategy that I want to get into and talk about in this video, just no spoilers. It's called a commitment contract, but how you do it, I will talk about in this video. So my first experience with this commitment contract was I had a mentor in April, I think. I got him in April of 2025, so this year. And he showed me this like concept called commitment contract. I actually already knew about it from the book Atomic Habits, if you've already read it, but I didn't take any action on it, so it was irrelevant because I obviously didn't implement it. So what you do is you kind of think about, okay, what do I want to achieve? What's a goal that I have? So within screen time, it would be, for example, okay, my goal is for the next 14 days, I will not scroll any short form content. Once you've set that goal for yourself, and now it's about, okay, how do I achieve that? The actions required to achieve this, like the actions required to not scroll a single time for the next 14 days, is not scrolling a single time, right? So what I would do is I would grab a piece of paper. Fuck, could you wait 1 second? Skip a little forward in the video. I'll go grab my commitment contract real quick. Yeah, you guys can probably still hear me, can't you? Anyway, let me find this shit. There we go. Anyway, here it is. I should have brought this from the beginning. So this is my commitment contract. Don't know if you can see it, but it's basically, I've written here, if I, Jonas, so that's my name, don't make 100 pieces of short form content before the 1st of January 2026, I will send Kasperas 500 USD and I will send Pepin 500 USD, signature Jonas. What this does is you take your goal, you turn it into actions, and then you put it onto paper so you stay accountable to it, because now it's like, I sent this to Kasperas, I sent this to Pepin, and Kasperas is actually the dude that taught me this like a method. So you do this once you, like, so basically what this will do is it will take your vague idea of like, oh yeah, I want to get more traffic. Then it's like, okay, how do I get more traffic? I get more traffic by getting more views. And I believe that the best way to do that would be to create more short form content. Then it's like, okay, if I created 100 pieces before the 1st of January, and there's like 1.5 months till that point, then that will probably work out very well for me. So you do that, then you pick a consequence. For me, it's give Kasperas $500 and give Pepin $500. So that works out. It's enough fire so that I don't want to like give away $1,000, and it'll also just like be awkward that I have to like wire them money and everything like that. And it's like I said that I would do something and then I like didn't do it. I didn't take the 100 daily actions, whatever you want to call it. But yeah, so how do you take this into practice? How do you leverage this in terms of screen time? You go ahead and figure out a goal for you. If this is the first video that you've ever seen from me, I'm kind of like the screen time guy. I've been doing this for 10 months, actually to this date, 10 months. Helped a bunch of people. You can see it on the link in the bio. So yeah, create the goal for you. I would say just go the next 14 days without scrolling short form content. So now grab a piece of paper, grab a pen, and then write, if I, and then your name, if I, then your name, scroll short form content for the next 14 days till a specific date. So you see how I wrote the 1st of January 2026. Write that, and then set a consequence, and then do like a signature. And yeah, you don't have to like have something, because this is like more of an action. I can go I could go like 50 days or however much. I think I had like 53 days to create 100 pieces. I could go like 52 days without creating a single piece of short form content. And then on the last day, I could create 100 pieces and then everything would be good. So yeah, I think this got onto a bit of a sidetrack, but I hope you can leverage this. I hope you can see how it's beneficial to take your goal, turn it into actions, and then make sure that you follow through on those actions. So yeah, if you want more like help with getting your screen time from where it is right now to where you ultimately want to go, you can click on the link in the bio, and yeah, I'll help you out. I guarantee that you reduce, I guarantee that you fix your screen time in 60 days or less. So take some action, have a good rest of your day, and see you, brother.